Good morning, everyone. Dr. Jean-Pierre here, and I'm so excited. Less than 24 hours to go for the Yoga Expo in Fort Lauderdale, and I'm looking forward to meeting and seeing all of you. Don't forget to register for the Yoga Expo, and also come to the class where we're going to teach you guys how to maintain proper posture, live a healthy lifestyle while sitting. With the pandemic, so many of us have moved to sitting in front of a computer, doing a lot more Zoom call. And as you know, you put a lot more pressure on your disc when you're sitting than when you're standing. And a lot of us are experiencing neck pain and back pain due to that. So at this lecture, I'm going to address it, but also going to teach you how to stay fit while you sit. So register for the Yoga Expo, and the first 30 person that register for my lecture will get a free neck pillow and also get a free computerized posture testing. So like my search says, posture is actually the key to health. So I'm looking forward to see every one of you at the expo tomorrow. Okay, talk to you soon.